Okay, so right here I have a MacBook, and as you can see there's two ports right here, both are USB-C. Now this mouse here, it's a USB cable, so obviously that will not fit in here. So if you want to use this mouse on this MacBook, what you need to do is get one of these things. As you can see, this one will fit in here, like that. And on this side you have a USB port, so it's a USB to USB-C. This one is like $10 for two of them. I will leave a link to it in the description, but as you can see here, you can put the mouse in here, then plug this into your MacBook, and now as you can see the mouse is working. So that's how you can use a USB mouse on your Mac.